What's happening, everyone? Back at you with another hard reset. Today we are going to do the Xiaomi Redmi 11 Pro 5G. Try saying that 5 times. If you have one of these and you have to do a hard reset because you forgot your pattern or pin, I'll show you how to do that. Just a reminder, when you do a hard reset, you do delete all the data off the phone. So if you have anything important on the phone, it will be deleted. So just keep that in mind. Also, if you guys haven't yet, subscribe. We got a ton more hard resets and teardowns coming up. We'd appreciate that. Any support always helps. But let's dive right into this. So want to make sure that the phone is turned off. You have your volume up, volume down, and power button right here. The phone is off, and then when the phone is off, we want to hold volume up and power button at the same time. Once the phone turns on, you can let go of power, but keep holding volume up. And Xiaomi's kind of range. Sometimes they're really quick. Sometimes you really got to hold them for a while to get in, depending on which version of Android they're running. So we get to this recovery screen. We want to go to wipe data. You can use your volume keys to navigate, your power keys to select, or hit enter, I should say. So we go there, wipe all data. Yep. Want to confirm? Sure. Now it's deleting. All done. And then we can hit the power button to back to the main menu. And then we can reboot. And you want to reboot to system. If you reboot back to main menu, that's just the original Android portion where we did the hard reset on. So we'll go reboot to system, and that's it. All the data is deleted. It'll be on the welcome screen, and you can navigate the phone back to the home screen and set it back up how you wish. So that is how you do a hard reset on a Xiaomi Redmi 11 Pro 5G. We got a ton more of these Xiaomis that we're going to be posting, so if you guys want to see anything special or something you're having trouble with, just drop a comment and we'll try to get that up for you sooner than later. Other than that, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.